How to fix iPhone Apple Maps not working. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Scroll down, head towards the option of Privacy and Security, open it. Now open this option Location Services. Toggle on for this option of Location Services. Once you do that, scroll down. Now from here, find the Apple Maps. Once you find it, open it. You'll find this option Allow Location Access. Set it to while using app. After you customize these settings, you can open your Apple Maps and check whether it is working or not. Likewise, heading towards Next Solution, open your Settings app. You'll see this option of Airplane Mode, toggle on for it. Now wait for a few minutes and again toggle it off and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards Next Solution, scroll down, open the option General, click on Software Update. If any updates are available for your device, just update your phone software to its latest version. Hit back, scroll down. Open the option Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset All Settings. Now enter your phone passcode over here and continue with the process. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix iPhone Apple Maps not working. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.